Hi, and welcome back to my December daily. This is Pearl. I finished up to day 12. Look at how chunky this thing is. I can't even close it right. I'm gonna have to do a lot of flat layouts from here on out just to make sure that this doesn't bust because I don't have another album to put these in. Okay, so I finished 11 and 12 here, and then I realized I forgot to add this picture of me with the kids at In-N-Out. I even made my son go get a burger wrap. He was so embarrassed. He even told them, my mom scrapbooks and she wants that. So I went ahead and journaled that. I'm just gonna put the date up here and then I'm gonna stick it right in here. I'm gonna use one of these Felicity Jane acetate pop-ins, and this is a 6 by 8, so it's too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half. I'm just gonna cut it like that so that it's even on both sides. And then I'm gonna stick this on here, but I think I'm gonna stick my photo in there and it's not quite small enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim this up a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I have this journaling that I printed on a 4x6 card using the Felicity Jane Cozy Kit. I'm gonna go ahead and adhere this together and then I'll trim it so that it fits. Now that I got this to fit, this is gonna go in here like this. I wanna add a little tabby. I'm gonna add a 2-inch Avery index tab right there. And then I'll take one of these and stamp something on there. I'm gonna use this Making Memories from the Felicity Jane 2017 stamp kit. I'm going to use that using the Stays On Red, Blazing Red, because the green is more olive. Okay, I want to stick something in here. I think I'm going to put this heart, star. And then on this side, I'm going to use these die cuts like this. I've been waiting to use these. I want to try to use up more of my kit. And then for a little texture, I'll add some staples. And then here I just want to write the date, which was the 11th, December 11th. And for this, I'm using my VersaFine. Ah! Shoot! I'm going to just do it on here. Okay, so I can't believe I did that. That's because that's where I left off with my December daily. Okay, let's put that over here. And then I'm gonna do the staples here too. I'm having a hard time with this today. Okay, let's take this off. Ah! Take 3. This has got to work. And then I'm just gonna stick it on here. Let's see, do I want this towards the top or towards the bottom of day 11? I'm gonna put it towards the top. So this will go in here. And then I'm just gonna stick this on here so that, and then maybe I'll add a little something right there. Or does it need to be like this? Trying to decide if I want to put something there or not. I think I'm just gonna leave it, and I should have let this dry because now I have it on the back of the paper. Okay, I'm just gonna accept it for what it is. Okay, so I have 11 and 12, and so I'm gonna work on 13, and here it is. It's another favorite things party. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm gonna use this transparency, add this photo in here, and just journal on a label and call it done for this one. I'm gonna journal on this tag and just slide it in the back. I'm gonna cut off this to from business. And I'm gonna use this tag. And then what I need to do is just put a 13 down. I wonder if I put it like that, will you still know that's number 13? Yep, I'm gonna just do that. You still know that it's 13. And I'm gonna put this back there. I'm trying to see if these snowflakes are the same size, and they're not. Okay, let's see if we have something here. I wonder if these are the same size. Oh good, ho ho ho, let it shine. Okay, I'm gonna put this on here. This is from the Ali Edwards chipboard kit. There goes that one. So that just adds a little something to this busy transparency. And I'm gonna add this here. Should I add anything else? I'm just gonna leave that like that. So I gotta remind myself I'm trying not to make it too puffy. Okay, so on day 14, my daughter had her dance party. She also had a master class. So I wanna put one of those pictures there. And then I also wanna use 1, 2, 3, put a picture. Oh, my string is not as tight. Okay, I'll fix that in a little bit. But look at my daughter. She's so happy to be with all the big kids. But this is also, okay, I'm gonna use this one and not this one. So this is gonna go in like this. I'm not gonna put anything on here, but I do wanna measure these hexagons, 2.5. Okay, I have my Fiskars 2-inch hexagon punch. I'm gonna see if I can get these guys to fit in here. Oh, I cut it wrong. Okay, let me print this picture out again. I'll be right back. Okay, let's take 2. Now I remember that I have to get, I'm gonna have to look at it all wonky so that I make sure I get them both. Oh, it looks about the same. Shoot. Then I want to see if I can get Zoe and Kaya in the same frame. I hope I didn't cut too much off. Ah! Okay, before I do anything else, I'm going to staple this closed. Then I need to tie this tighter. By the way, this is a cut file from Ali Edwards Product Play 3 class. I'm also going to put some reinforcements. By the way, this is just the Avery clear reinforcement label tabs. This, oops, like this. I'm going to go ahead and stick these down. And then right here, oh, I did my journaling on vellum, so that's gonna go right in here. So I need to cut that out to fit. Pencil to mark where I need to cut. Okay, that's gonna stick on like that. So now I can adhere this to this because I think I want to put 14 there. Well, in either case, I know I want to stick this down, so let me go ahead and do that. I could do that. All right, let me do that. And then I want to put a little embellishment there. Still have some of these circles left. Running out of options, Pearl. I think I'm just going to put one of these snowflakes on there. Yep, and I'm going to call it done. So that's day 14. Let's go to day 15. So 15 I'm going to use on the back of this, and I want to use her first mani-pedi. Actually, I'm going to add the rest of these pictures for. Okay, for these sections, I think I want to cut some pattern paper out. I have all these hexagons, but I don't know if any of these were the right size. Well, there's the right size. Okay, so I'm going to use this as my template to cut out some pattern paper, and these are some of the 6x6 paper pads that came. So then the other one I'm going to do with, let me get this one down. Let's see how many times it takes me to do this. Okay, there we go, people. Oh, my brain's not working. And there you have it, my day. What did I say this was? 14. Well, thank you so much for watching my day 13, part of my day 12, and now my day 14. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.